Subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest videos.
How eating sweet potatoes may help you lose weight. Thank the food heaven to bestow us with a vegetable as good as sweet potato that does not only taste amazing, but has numerous health benefits to offer. The good news is that it makes for one of the best foods that help in losing weight. With its melt in the mouth and sugary flavor, sweet potato is a healthy way to satisfy a carbohydrate craving. It has essential nutrients, which may include vitamin C, calcium, beta-carotene and high level of slow-release carbohydrates. For people looking to lose weight, here's why it may be an important food to help you achieve your goals. Benefits of sweet potato for weight loss. 1. Sweet potatoes are high in fiber. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of fiber. They not only help in losing weight, but are also an excellent food for diabetics. The dietary fiber present in their vegetable is bulky, which means that it takes up a lot of room in your tummy, further keeping it fuller for long, thereby preventing overeating. It further reduces the chances of high-calorie intake and potential weight gain. 2. Super low-calorie food. One of the key rules to losing weight is to eat low-calorie foods. Sweet potatoes have a relatively low-calorie content that can make for a good snack whenever you are hungry. This doesn't mean that you fry and enjoy it, instead choose to roast or grill it to ensure a healthy weight loss. How to use sweet potatoes in your daily diet to lose weight. According to the book Healing Foods, steaming or boiling, rather than roasting, preserves their slow-releasing carbohydrates and essential nutrients.